Welcome to RTV Incorporated at realtourvision.com. RTV is a recognized leader in professional photography, virtual tour, and aerial drone services throughout the United States and Canada. Thank you for taking the time to consider how we can showcase your business and properties in their best light. We understand that image is critical for business success. We have built our business around providing professional-level photography and powerful web presentations to help your company stand out in the marketplace. Our goal is to create ongoing relationships with our clients and show them how to turn casual web visitors into paying customers. Our entire staff of dedicated professionals, from our digital imaging specialists to our national sales managers, is here to serve. Our mission is to provide our national accounts with professional digital imagery, virtual tours, and customer support swiftly and at an affordable price. RTV's vast network of vetted, insured professional photographers, virtual tour providers, and aerial drone pilots enables us to complete photography orders across the US and Canada quickly and at a lower cost than our competitors. With RTV, there is no need to fly photographers across the country. As you can see, we are likely to have a photographer right in your area. Our photography methods and process ensure consistent quality for all orders, no matter where the properties are located. Our impressive network of photographers, economical pricing structure, and reputation for consistency in quality have allowed us the honor of working side by side with many large corporations in North America to fulfill their photography and virtual tour needs. RTV is currently an official photography and virtual tour vendor for Choice Hotels International, Kindred Healthcare, Motel 6, Red Roof Inn, 1-800-Flowers, Bell Partners, Red Lion Hotels, Holiday Retirement, and many more. No photography job is too big or small for RTV. We are fully capable of completing jobs requiring portrait photography, lifestyle photos, still image photography, aerial drone photography, twilight photography, and virtual tour photography. In late 2014, RTV was awarded Google Trusted Agency status, allowing us to offer Google Street View virtual tours. Since then, RTV has completed thousands of Google walkthrough tours and stands ready to help put your business on the map. Since 1999, RTV has photographed medical centers, apartment complexes, fitness centers, patient rentals, retail stores, assisted care facilities, home builders, colleges, museums, cities, and so much more. With our Google virtual tours, we are also able to highlight your virtual tours in the search engine results, a great way to drive more traffic to your site and keep viewers there longer. RTV utilizes and delivers the best technology available with a highly versatile and impressive HTML5 virtual tour player and our proprietary ProTouch photography process that ensures consistent, high-end results. RTV is the perfect solution for anyone seeking exceptional photography and a memorable viewing experience using any web-enabled device. Along with your professional photography session and virtual tour, there are many unique add-ons that you might consider asking your RTV sales rep about. Twilight photo packages, aerial drone services, social media videos, virtual staging, professional voiceovers, full motion video insertions, floor plan overlays, and AstroZoom space flyovers are a few of our most popular. You will enjoy a competitive advantage over your competition who settle for just plain photos for their web presence. Allow us to set your business apart with professional level photography, virtual tours, aerial drone, and RTV's powerful add-ons, all at an unbeatably affordable price. Please take a moment and visit our virtual tour gallery at www.realtourvision.com. There you can see live examples of our technology. Explore 360-degree panoramas by clicking and dragging your mouse. You can interact directly with some of our productions by clicking on buttons you find within the images or on our interactive floor plans. Finally, be sure you experience our technology on a mobile device, phone, or a tablet. The modern marketplace demands high-quality imagery both online and in print. RTV's professional photos, drone videos, and interactive virtual tours will draw paying customers into your business. RTV has the network, technology, experience, and processes necessary to deliver consistent professional quality, fast, and for a great price. At RTV, your image is everything. Give us a call today to schedule your virtual tour and photography session. You'll be glad you did.